Hello everyone, this is Neha. Welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, we are going to discuss about the book Enchante 2, and we are discussing lesson number 1. And we are discussing the translation of this chapter and the exercises of this chapter. So let's get started. C'est Leçon 1. This is lesson 1. Belles images, beautiful images. So here we have 4 pictures and then we have description of the pictures. So let's read it and translate it. C'est un bon restaurant. This is a good restaurant. Dans le restaurant, il y a des tables noires, de belles couvertures blanches avec une ambiance très calme. In the restaurant, there are black tables, beautiful white covers with very calm ambience. And in next picture, ce sont des amis. These are friends. Le garçon est gros et mignon. The boy is fat and cute. La fille est mince et mignonne. The girl is slim and cute. Les deux sont très amusants et amiables. Both are very entertaining and lovable. Entertaining or amusing, you can say. Next is c'est une grande bibliothèque. This is a big library. Dans la bibliothèque, il y a des livres épais et minces. In the library, there are books, some thick and thin. C'est une bibliothèque très ancienne. This is very old library. C'est un petit livre bleu. This is a small blue book. Il y a des leçons courtes. There are some short lessons. Les leçons sont très intéressantes. The lessons are very interesting. C'est un nouveau livre. This is a new book. This was the reading and translation of this chapter. Now, next we have the questions. We have the question and there are some options. We have to choose the correct one. So le livre est, what is the color of the book? It is bleu. Le livre est bleu. Dans le restaurant, il y a des chaises noires, des tables noires, or des couvertures noires. The answer is des tables noires. Les deux amis sont aimables et amusants, and the answer is this. This is the correct answer. La bibliothèque est, the bibliothèque was moderne, ancien, or nouvelle. So this was ancien. These are the answers. Let's move on. Dites vrai ou faux. Say right or wrong. La fille est mignonne. The girl is cute. Is it true or false? So this is vrai. La bibliothèque est moderne. Was the library modern? No, it was old. The answer is false. Il y a de belles couvertures blanches dans le restaurant. There are beautiful white covers in the restaurant. Is this vrai ou faux? This is vrai. Les leçons du livre sont ennuyeuses. The lessons in the book are boring. So this is wrong. The lessons were interesting. Complétez les phrases avec un adjectif donné à la page 10. So you have to fill in the blanks with one adjective from the text. J'ai une dash maison. J'ai une jolie maison. Mon frère est, my brother is mignon in masculine form because we are talking about a boy, or we can write gros, means fat. Elle porte une robe. She is wearing a dress, and we can write noir, we have to write in feminine form because the dress is feminine. Or we can write blanche. Il y a une dash fille dans la classe. There is a dash girl in the class. So the answer can be jolie. Les rimes sont très. The rhymes are very. So the answer is. This is the correct answer. Let's move on. Now we have the grammar portions. Here we have some nouns and the rules how to convert it into plural form, how to convert it in singular form. There are some adjectives. We have some exceptions that you have to learn. If you will learn it, then only you will be able to answer it. Now we are going to discuss about the exercises. So les exercices 1. Remplissez les blancs avec les adjectifs donnés. You have to fill in the blanks with the adjectives given. So, c'est une dash femme. This is a dash femme. So, from here, from these four, what can be the answer? The answer is belle. This is a beautiful lady. Elle est très dash. She is very happy. Elle travaille dans un dash entreprise. She is working in a big company. Elle espère être the chef de la banque. She hopes to be the chief of the bank. C'est une idée. Formidable means wonderful. This is a wonderful idea. Next we have donner le pluriel des noms suivants. We have to fill in the blanks with the plural of these nouns. The definite articles, the, la, and l apostrophe, these are the singular forms, and plural form is les. The indefinite articles are un, the plural form is they. So the first is l'oiseau. L apostrophe we convert with les, and for oiseau we have les oiseaux. Next is le journal. So le we convert with les, and journaux. La sucrerie, it will be les sucreries. Le nez, it will be les nez. Nouns ending with s, x, and z remains the same. Next is le trou. It will be, this is the exception. Carnaval, we will convert it with des carnaval. Une trousse, it will be des trousses. Une proa, it will be des croix. Un feu, des feux. Un travail, des travaux. Generally, the rule is when the noun is ending with s, x, and z, it remains the same. For example, ne ending with z, so it is same. Nouns ending with au, eau, ou, generally we add x to make it plural, but we have some exception. For example, this one. This we convert by adding an s. And the simple rule is we add an s to make it plural. Now, the next is mettez au pluriel. We have some sentences here in singular form, and you have to convert these sentences into plural form. Il y a un livre blanc. There is a white book. So, il y a remains the same. So, it will be il y a des livres blancs. Next is l'arbre est vert. The tree is green. So it will be les arbres. So vert. The trees are green. C'est une leçon intéressante. So it will be ce sont des leçons intéressantes. Le garçon est beau. It will be les garçons sont beaux. La femme aime le gâteau. It will be les femmes aiment les gâteaux. And there should be the accent on A. And next is c'est un animal. It will be ce sont des animals. These are some animals. So on the left side, we have the singular sentences and the answers are in the plural form. Next is météo singulier. We have the sentences in plural form. Now you have to convert it in singular form. First is ce sont des travaux. The answer will be c'est un travail. Ils sont des joujoux. They have some toys. It will be il a un joujou. He has a toy. Les leçons sont difficiles. The lessons are difficult. And the answer is la leçon est difficile. Vous finissez les gâteaux. You are finishing the cake. And the answer is you are finishing the cake. Les oiseaux chantent. The birds sing. And the answer is L apostrophe. L'oiseau chante. Next is il y a des souris dans les chambres. It will be il y a une souris dans la chambre.